Solve the simultaneous equation by elimination method. So, how do you go about this? Let's make these two equations: 3x plus 4y equals 12 and 2x plus 5y equals 10. Now we're going to multiply. We're going to consider the variable x, because x has smaller numbers. So to make the coefficients of x to be equal, we have to multiply by we have to multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3. So this by 2 and this by 3. 2 times 3 equals 6x. 2 times 4, 8y, and 2 times 12 is 24. Coming to the second equation, 3 times 2 is 6x. 3 times 5 is 15y, and 3 times 10 is 30. So now we just need to subtract. We just need to subtract 6x minus 6x. Of course, it's going to give you a 0, and 8y minus 15y is going to give you a 7y, a negative 7y, since 15 is way smaller than 8 by 7, which is 7y. 24 minus 30 is going to give us a negative 6. And there we go. We divide by -7, even the side by -7. So this will give us, if you divide the negatives, to give you a positive. So this is going to be a positive 6/7. Now, what do you do? How do you find, since we found the y, how do you find the x? Let's go to the first equations, equation 1 and 2. Equation 2 seems a little bit simpler because the coefficients of the variables are smaller, but we can use either of the two. So in this case, let's use equation 2, which is 2x plus 5y equals 10. We're going to substitute where there is y. We're going to substitute 6/7, and this is going to be 5. 5, then multiply by 6/7 in brackets equals 10. Now 2x equals this 5 is going to multiply the 6, and this is going to give us 30/7, which is equal to 10. We're going to collect the like terms, but before we do that, there's something we can do which will make our work simpler. This is the only fraction occurring in here, and all we have to do is multiply the 7 throughout. And if we do that, 7 multiplied by 2 is 14x. 7 multiplied by 30/7 is 30. And 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. Now, the 14 is going to remain alone here, and the 30, if we subtract both sides, 30 here is going to be to remain at 0, and this side is going to be a minus 30, and this will give us a 40. So now